Today, I'm going to talk you through how to add headlands, edit existing zones, and add new zones within your variable rate C plans. We will start with how to add a headland. To do so, click on the drop-down by headland and add the desired width of the headland. Once the area has been added, click on headland so it is highlighted green, and click on the desired fields you would like to add the headland to. This tool is particularly helpful for areas that are heavily compacted, or for later drilled areas that you would like to increase the seed rate on. Once a headland has been added, you will then need to add an establishment rate. It is important to note that at this point we are editing the establishment rate, not the seed rate. Therefore, the establishment rate must come down for the seed rate to go up. To set the establishment rate, click on the drop-down and set your percentage establishment. Click on Set Establishment to ensure it is highlighted green. Once green, you can then click within the headland zones you have added. You will then see a seed rate populate within those zones. If you would like to split a headland and add another rate, you can do so by using the Split option. Navigate to the area of the headland you would like to split out. Click outside of the field and draw a line across the area you would like to split out as shown. You will then need to set an establishment rate for this area. Click on Set Establishment to ensure it is highlighted green. Then click within the new area of the headland to change the rate. Next, we will talk through moving zones within fields. If you would like to amend your establishment zones to increase or decrease the size of an area, you can do so. To do this, click on Move Nodes. Navigate to a field that you would like to adjust, and you can now click and drag the lines to increase a certain zone within the field as shown. If you wish to decrease zones on another field, or alternatively increase them, you can, as shown. The final functionality I will take you through today is how to draw in your own zones to a seed plan. This will allow you to increase or decrease the seed rate within the areas. You may wish to use this function in areas with high populations of grass weeds, which you would like to increase the seed rate within. To add a zone, firstly click on Insert near the top of the screen. Navigate to the field you would like to draw a zone into and start by clicking. Each click will create a new line. Once you have finished the zone, double-click and your zone will be added to the map. Again, at this point, you will need to set the establishment rate within the zone drawn, as previously shown. Once you are happy with the plan, you can press Save. The plan will then appear under the relevant harvest year. If you select the plan and click Export, there are a few ways to send the plan to your drill. If you're using an iPad and drill using Frontier's MyFarm app, you can send the plan straight to your iPad by turning on this toggle and pressing save. If you want to export the plan as an application file, which you load onto a memory stick and plug into your screen in the cab, you can do so by picking the relevant file type and clicking Download Application File. Or if you're using a direct file transfer system, you can send the application file directly to the cab. A PDF version of the plan can also be downloaded, which you can hand to the operator. If you would like to know more about the tool or would like help with your plans, you can get in touch by using the details on screen.